In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can create and join a private game here in Fall Guys. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Let's go ahead and start on the main menu. What you're going to want to do is start here and then go ahead and open up the show selector. This is going to be all the way down at the very bottom where it says change game. Go ahead and open this up. On PlayStation, you could just hit square to do this. On Xbox, I believe it is X. But once you're in this section right here, go ahead and tab over to custom games up at the very top. And to host a game, go ahead and select host, then hit submit. It's going to take you to a private lobby that looks something like this. And what you're going to want to do is get a share code up at the very top. I'm just going to unhide this real quick. This is what the share code would be. All you would need to do is show this code and send it to your friends, and they'll just need to go to this exact same section, hit join game instead of host game, and then of course they can go ahead and join. Now, private matches do usually require a minimum number of players to start. In many cases, you're going to need to have at least about like 10 players before the game begins. So make sure that you obviously have enough friends or enough alt accounts to join. But it really is as simple as that. That is how you can create and join, a private lobby here in Fall Guys. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.